Well, good morning, guys. What a way to wake up in the morning, am I right? I just got a spontaneous nosebleed as I was getting ready for school, and yeah, it's really gross, and you probably don't want to see this, so I'm gonna turn the camera off now. Okay, I got my nosebleed to stop, and now I actually need to leave for school, like, right now. So I'll probably talk to you guys when I get back. So I'm home from school, and it was kind of a weird class. We did some, like, paper airplane thing where we all got in groups and had, like, companies, and then we had to make paper airplanes, and whoever made the, yeah, it was, like, weird. But I filmed some of it because it was hilarious, so I'll put that clip in right here. Oh, wow, that's a good one.
Oh no. That's downhill too.
Strap that one too.
But now I'm back at home and I'm trying to film a video for KawaiiDays. I know I haven't posted one in a while and I just haven't had a chance to film one, so I have ideas and things to do. It's just getting it done, you know, when there's not like a billion people here, and yeah, so I'm trying to do that right now. Hopefully I get it done. It's taking some work though, so hopefully. Okay, we're just hanging out now. It's getting kind of late, but we're gonna have the ferrets out for a while. Huh. Oh, cute. Well, modeling. Okay. What are you doing back there? What a cute. What a cute. Are you ready? Come here. Come here. Oh, cute. Can you come up? Oh, cute. Come up. Cute. That's so cute. Come on. Oh, she's climbing me now. Do you like that? Get it. Cute. 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 Oh, she's just laying down.
I'll do that on that blanket.
Cute. You're so cute. You're so cute. Are you biting it? Bite it. You're so cute. You're so cute. Oh, you made him mad. What was that?
Oh, it's a nice blanket, huh? It's your favorite.
Cute.
Oh gosh. You bonked me. Watch the TV. I told you. That's fine. That's fine. Oh gosh. It worked. I know what I'm doing. On your side of the carpet.
It's not even focused. Oh. He hates me. Bye.
He always hated you.
We're still downstairs with the ferrets and just playing around, and we're gonna end the vlog because it's really late. Oh, you came to end the vlog. So if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Thumbs up. Make her give a thumbs up.
She doesn't have a thumb.
Give it a paw up if you liked it. I already said that. Click the subscribe button down below if you want to see more, because I post new videos of these cute little babies and me every single day. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Wait, hold on. I'm using the wrong hand. Wait, which hand do I normally do?
Bye.
Bye. Wait, 1, 2, 3. Bye.